Hello everyone and welcome into Next Tech Consultants. Today we're going to be installing Office 365 on Windows devices. For the Mac version of the video, make sure you guys subscribe and check back soon. Let's go ahead and jump in. If you're on Windows 11, Microsoft makes it super easy to get Office on your computer. All you have to do is click on the Start menu or the Windows logo. Go ahead and type in Office. Once you have the Office app opened, go ahead and sign in with the account that you have the Microsoft Office 365 license in. As you can see, I have signed in, and now a new button in the top right corner should prompt to install Office. If you do not have the Office app installed on your computer, all you have to do is actually go to office.com and then log in with the account that you have your Office 365 license. You can go ahead and click on Premium Office Apps. Edge will then start downloading Office in the top right corner. You may open the file. Click Yes. Office is now getting ready to be installed. Depending on the speed of your internet, this process could either be really fast or excruciatingly slow. As you can see here, I got a notification that said installation is finished. You may now go offline or shut down. So we can go ahead and close out of the installer. And then if we go ahead and look up, let's say for a word, it should now pop up in the search. And then you may open it and everything should run as usual. Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? If you found the video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like and maybe even subscribe to the channel. Keep in mind we are consultants, so if you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@nexttechconsultants.com, or go ahead and send us a message on social media at NextTechNT. That's all I have for you today. Goodbye.